Hello friends. I am just hanging out at the new cribbo. So Ethan and two of his friends got a place, and I am paying a little bit a month as well in rent so that I can park the van here and hang out here and have some stuff here and stuff, things like that. So we're on this like awesome busy corner here in town, and it's like the perfect location. Downtown is literally like a block away, and we got a nice big parking lot for Dad and I to park the vans in, so that is really exciting. And then I'll show you guys what the house looks like. It's pretty big. We have one side of the duplex. It's up, ours is upstairs, theirs is down, and I just bought some patio furniture. I really love it, and I've just been hanging out. We actually have an awesome deck for like once ever, so we can hang out on the deck, and it's really nice. So we have a lot of work to do upstairs, but finally we got some chill time, so I'm just watching a movie and hanging out while the weather is still nice. Well, I'm kind of gonna miss this this Durango. I'm getting Ellie back now, which is really exciting, but yeah, I'm kind of gonna miss that Durango. It was nice, but look at Ellie's got some new tires. Oh yeah, baby, she's looking good. She really needed them, so exciting stuff. Hello everybody, good morning. It's about 8 in the morning, and Brittany and I are on our way to Green Bay actually. Gas prices are so low and my van has a recall, and you guys all know I've been getting a lot of work done to my van. I got tires on it and I fixed the sensor on the back. I have spent like $700 on this van, plus I just ordered I think $1,000 worth of solar setup and a sink setup. So that's really exciting, and that'll be coming in the mail, and we'll have some videos of Dad and I working on it up in the UP this summer, so I'm really excited about all that. But we are headed to Green Bay today. Unfortunately, I had to drive 3 hours away to get this recall fixed on my van, but kind of a big thing. Might as well do it now while there's like no people around. And
it's a beautiful day ended up being.
Yeah, it was supposed to rain and be windy, but it ended up being beautiful. Let me show you guys. We have a sunny day. Hopefully it'll continue this way. We just got on the freeway, and we're about 40 miles out. We kind of left in the dark, so it was kind of windy for a minute, but it's not bad. It was supposed to rain kind of, and it's not, so I'm happy about that. Hopefully it's gone. Brittany's out there taking a picture of this old car that we saw. Look at her, she's out there taking a picture of it. Oh, where'd you go? I don't know. Anyway, cool car. Checking out some new vehicles.
You gotta see it inside.
Probably gonna purchase another. Look at how nice though, because like, first of all, what is this? I love it. And the red right here. But look, you've got two-wheel, four-wheel, neutral. Like, this is so nice that you have that.
Look at the back.
Dude, speakers.
Oh man.
Dude, I want this so bad. I wonder how much this costs.
Should we trade in the van? No.
Dude, and then you can like haul stuff.
Oh yeah, I forgot that's like the Jeep truck here.
It's kind of weird actually. We're getting some fresh air because it's so nice out today, so just gonna chill here.
Just sit on our stoop.
Right on the corner. This is perfect.
Time to. Cherokee is from like when it began.
Right, it's so luxurious. Like, I thought I wanted a Wrangler for a while, and then I saw the Cherokees,
I like
and I was
Rubicon.
like, yeah. So our plan at the dealership, it was like a 3 or 4 hour fix. Ellie has 3 recalls that have to be done on her, so we're getting one of them done. There's only one fix right now, so we have to only get one done right now. And we just kind of are hanging at the dealership, and we're gonna get a little shuttle ride over to Olive Garden to grab some lunch as well, since it's gonna be like 3 hours. But we threw some chairs together and got our little table hanging out. We're gonna put a movie on for now and then probably head to Olive Garden. So we'll be able to kill the time pretty easily, which will be nice. And we're definitely being safe. We bought our masks to wear as well if we need them. All right, well, we had our Olive Garden. Oh my gosh, I didn't vlog the Olive Garden. We forgot to vlog all the food we got, but we got like leftovers like it's nobody's business in there.
So much
We got the buy one take one, so we got lasagna in there, we got some breadsticks, we got a chicken Alfredo, and then I got some cheese ravioli and the rest of my chicken parmesan. We have so much food, but it's been about we got here at 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. So we've been here for about 3.5 hours. They did say it'd be about a 3 or 4 hour fix, so hopefully it's done soon. We'll head home. It's still pretty nice weather, and I think we might see Ethan on the way home. I don't know. Maybe. Hello, friends. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. Today I am headed out to a local greenhouse. As you guys should know by now, Ethan got an apartment with a couple of friends. He mostly wanted to be able to set up his studio so he could focus on music this summer. So he's there and I'm in the van, but I'm there as well all the time. And I decided that he needed some plants around because I obviously can't really put that many plants like in the van. And so I'm really excited. I'm gonna go get some plants that I can hang at his house. And there's this awesome local greenhouse called Meister's that we're gonna go to. I've never actually been there before. My friend Brittany is coming with, and so we are gonna go out there today. It's like 60 degrees here, so it's actually warm today, which is really nice. I might go for a hike later at Dead River. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm also gonna walk down to the co-op later from Ethan's place and get some vitamins and some meat. I'm gonna get some meat. I'm gonna make gnocchi soup, a gnocchi and sausage soup, that vegan one. As you guys probably have seen the recipe video by now. And if you haven't though, I'll put a link in the description below and you guys can check that out. It's really, really good. It's an all vegan gnocchi and sausage soup. And it's made with those field roast sausages. So I need those. I need some chicken, some organic chicken for some tiki masala. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and we're gonna go look at some plants. All right, we made it to the greenhouse finally. You wanna say hi, Hunter?
Hi!
Say hi. This is Hunter. We're taking him to the greenhouse and we made it to Harvey. You can see it there behind us. We're gonna take a walk through and see what we can find. Exciting? You think it's cold? Should we put our hand in it?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's cold. Can you reach it? Oh, you're so close.
No, I'm not. Let's get the fish.
You want to pet the turtle? Oh, the fish. There's little fishies in there.
It's running away!
Nothing, I'm at the greenhouse picking out some flowers and plants.
Ready to go in?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah. Huh?
You lead the way, okay?
Yeah.
I got some rocks.
You got some rocks.
Huh? No, he's at home. He's with us. Or Barry's at home. Hunter's with us. Yeah. Where are you? All right. Well, can I call you when I leave here? Because I'm in